How to add payment method on Google Play using SIM cards. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to add payment method on Google Play using SIM card. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Google Play Store. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Tap profile icon at top right corner of the screen. From this menu, select Payment and Subscriptions option. Tap on Payment Methods. Select More Payment Method or Systems and choose your browser. Tap Add a Payment Method. Now look for the option to add your SIM as a payment method. Currently, there is no such system on my Google Play Store, but if it is available on yours, you can easily add your SIM as a payment method. Simply keep in mind that this option depends on your SIM service provider and location. If your SIM is eligible and supports courier billing, it will appear here. If not, you will see other options like credit card, debit card, PayPal, or PaySafe card. So that's it. Now you know how to add a payment method on Google Play using a SIM. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. See you in the next video.